Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kamiah, local and long-distance movers near me. Our top-notch movers offer the right options for your long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing the right moving company will certainly make relocating so much easier. Our team of experts will ensure you get the best options for a basic or full-service move. Whether you're going on 1 state or 2 states over or much further, we make sure to get the help you need. If you're ready to hire an Idaho moving company for your local move, you should understand the benefits. While it's obvious that you won't have to do as much work, it might not be as obvious that you will save a ton of time. The main benefits of hiring professional movers for any local move are the time-saving and energy-saving benefits. Plus, you won't have to worry about an injury from the heavy lifting. With 3 men and a truck, you no longer have to beg family or friends to help. We take care of everything. You get to settle into your new location faster and with more energy. A move that might take you all weekend, we can get done in just 1 afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kamiah moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.